What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a 2026 Tesla Model Y that we're going to be doing a factory style tint on. So what does that mean? We're going to be doing a clear 75% windshield, and then we're going to do 20% on the front windows and then 75% over the rear. So that way it'll have a nice uniform factory tint look to it, along with a whole bunch of heat rejection and a lifetime warranty. So let's go ahead and make this Tesla nice and cool. But before we do that, you gotta subscribe to the channel. Grab your energy drink, your coffee, your water, whatever, and enjoy the rest of the video. All right, so we just got the hardest one done first, the windshield, and now I'm on DigiCut, so we're gonna cut out this back window right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit cut, and then our plotter is gonna cut out the pattern for us. This thing is so awesome. So we got our back window all tinted up, and I mean, you can see like we protect everything too. We don't want the interior getting all nasty and wet. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rear. I'm gonna do the rear quarter windows and door windows. So I'll go ahead and hit cut on here. We'll get that going, and then have our plotter do the work for us. We'll shrink the film, clean the window, and stick it on. All right, so I got this big piece of film we just cut out on our plotter. So we're going to go ahead and weed this out. Okay. Okay, there's a quarter window right here. All right, and here's the rear door window. And it's going to be the same process for this side. And since there was baby seats, I didn't want to mess with those and lower the back seats. So I just did the quarter windows right through here. They're pretty straightforward, so I didn't actually film the process, but it's the easiest window in the whole car. right, so we got the back done, we got the windshield done, now we just got the front door windows left. So I've got the patterns right here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit cut, and we will put this plotter to work. This is 20% right here. There we go. All right, and this thing's all tinted up, so let's see what kind of numbers we're working with here. So 94.3 on the back, not too bad. And let's go to the front here. And about 94 on the front, so not too bad. This is gonna keep the customer nice and cool this summer. We also did 75 over the windshield, so nice mix of privacy and heat rejection on this ceramic film, and 75% on the rear and sides, and then 20% on the front, and then 75% on this windshield. Okay, so I'm inside. I got the 75% windshield on here. I mean, there's no difference. It's basically clear. And then we've got 20% right here, just a little darker, but nothing too crazy. And then on the rear and sides, you can still see out of there pretty clear too. So the front and back perfectly match. You can kind of see there, front and back match perfectly. So that's really good. And this is just a nice factory look. So let's take a walk around and see how everything looks here. So we got the driver's side door. Let's see these edges real quick. Yep, not too bad, not too bad. We got our windshield right here, looking pretty good. And then we got our passenger side right here. Rear door, quarter window, and the rear window. This thing came out great. And then I got it charging up for the customer right here too, so that way they leave on a full charge. Just something neat about going to a Tesla specialist. You don't have to worry about having a dead Tesla when you pick up your vehicle for window tint. So if you're in Las Vegas and own a Tesla and you want to stay nice and cool this summer, reach out to me. You can go to starbasewraps.com. All my information's on there if you want to book an appointment, but I can do ceramic window tint, paint protection film, vinyl wrap, ceramic coatings, paint correction, all of that good stuff to make your drive comfortable and make your Tesla look amazing. So thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and we'll catch you on the next Starbase Wraps video.